Pergola versus gazebo. What's the difference? Why should I care? Is there a middle ground when choosing between the two? I'm Brendan with theluxurypergola.com, and I have all the answers for you. Let's get started. First, pergola versus gazebo. What is the difference? The biggest and most important difference is going to be the design. Now, traditionally, a pergola is going to have 4 or sometimes more posts. It's going to have a slatted roof that lets in some breeze, some sunlight, and usually you have some vines or some sort of plants working through them. Whereas a gazebo, that is going to be sort of a round structure, maybe an octagon sort of look, not like the UFC, and it'll be on a raised surface with a sloped roof. Both pergolas and gazebos can be made in a variety of different materials and also in different shapes and sizes. The second main difference is going to be how you build the structure. Overall, pergolas tend to be a lot more DIY friendly. There are a variety of materials from wood to steel to aluminum, and they come in kits, so you can put them up whether you're handy or not. Traditionally, gazebos are going to be a lot more involved, mainly because they're permanent. You have that raised surface that everybody stands on, and a solid roof that you have to shingle, waterproof, and maintain. Now, there are a few DIY options on the market, although not nearly as many as we have options for pergolas. The final difference is going to be price. Just as a basic rule of thumb, when you compare square footage and material used, you're going to end up spending more for a gazebo than a pergola. The solid sloped roof requires more material both to build and to support it. Just looking at the raw materials, gazebos are going to be slightly more expensive than a similar size, material, and quality when you compare it to a pergola. So you may ask, why get a gazebo? Well, it's pretty easy. Some people really like that gazebo aesthetic. It's a really distinct look that isn't really matched by anything else. So if that's the look you want, gazebos are your option. Another reason people get gazebos is to keep out rain and get more consistent shade, something that traditional slatted pergolas don't always offer. Stick around for an explanation about why that may not always be the best decision. Now, why get a pergola? Pergolas, especially the aluminum ones, are 1, pretty trendy right now, and 2, require a heck of a lot less maintenance. A lot of people are getting them because of the aesthetic and it's something to aspire towards. Pergolas also have a ton of options on the budget and DIY front that is not offered in a gazebo, which is another reason people may go towards the pergola route. Now, let's say you really want a pergola, but you don't want to get rained on. Is there something that gives you the best of both worlds for a gazebo and for a pergola? Now, that's where something really new and exciting comes in. It's a motorized louvered pergola. It gives you the best of both worlds. You can open it up like a traditional pergola, get sun, breeze, all that stuff. But you can also close it into a solid roof to give you protection from the rain and complete shade. So it's the consistency of a gazebo, the aesthetics of a pergola, and gives you the best of both worlds. You can enjoy it open, closed, like having a little transformer in your backyard, but instead of turning into a truck, it turns into 2 totally different structures, solid roof or open pergola. So that's the difference between a pergola and a gazebo. Make sure you subscribe if you want more information on backyards, DIY, American manufacturing, and much more. Please make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.